the next group of kingdom Protista, that is slime molds. Group slime molds. These slime molds, also known as the false fungi, these are known as false fungi because they produce the slimy mass, produce slimy mass on dead and decaying matter. As they grow or produce the slimy mass on dead and decaying matter, we can say that they show saprophytic mode of nutrition. Saprophytic, where the organism which grow on dead and decaying matter and obtain the main food from that decaying matter in the form of organic food. Next, we can say that in favorable condition, it forms an aggregation. And aggregation of this slimy mass, is known as the plasmodium. It is known as plasmodium. But when the unfavorable conditions are there, under unfavorable condition, these slime molds, or we can say the plasmodium, produce spore producing structure at their tip, where the spores produced, inside that spore producing structure, spores produced, and these spores are covered by a hard cell wall. Spores covered by cell wall, and this due to the presence of this cell wall, these spores of the slimy molds, we can say they are resistant for several years. The spores become resistant for several years. Means इस सेल वॉल की प्रेजेंस में स्पोर्स की जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसके ऊपर कोई भी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये रेजिस्टेंट है. रेजिस्टेंट किससे हो सकती है? डिफरेंट एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस विल बी देयर, हाई टेम्परेचर, लो टेम्परेचर, एसिडिटी, अल्कलिनिटी, या हम कहें कि किसी भी एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी, इन सभी जो एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस हैं उनसे ये रेजिस्टेंट होगा. और इस स्पोर की जो प्रॉपर्टीज है उस पर अंडर अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन कोई भी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं होगा. तो हम जब बात करते हैं इस प्लाज्मोडियम की, दिस प्लाज्मोडियम कैन स्प्रेड several feet, and these are the multinucleated structure. This is all about the group, the slimy mold in kingdom Protista. In the next video we will discuss the last group of kingdom Protista, that is Protozoa.